There are two parrots playing, and they are kissing. Their love is wonderful. There are some flower eating or cutting. And the flower makes here two but parrot. One is Dinah. Dinah is female. This is red color uh, leaf. He is male. They're cutting a flower. Oh, they are loving, kissing. Yes. Kissing. This is fantastic love. We watch here. This is a lucky moment. I watch their kissing. They are a husband and wife. They're happy family. They're good couple. They also love each other. Yes, yes, kissing. Wow. They're kissing at this moment. Oh, this is the good relation between Max and Dinah. We love him. I think you also love them. If you love them, please write comment box and their love how much entertained for you. If you oh, oh, oh yes, they are loving so much. Oh yes, Dinah also say feel they're going on here and there.